Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download Windows 10 Media Player in 2025. This app is perfect for enjoying music, watching videos, and managing your media library. So let's get started. First, press the Windows key on your keyboard or click the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. This is where you can access all your apps and settings. Next, open the Microsoft Store. The store is your main gateway for apps, games, and entertainment on Windows 10. In the store, go to the search bar at the top and type Media Player. From the results, look for Windows Media Player, click on the Windows Media Player app to open its page. Here you can read the description and reviews. When you're ready, click Install to download it. If it's already installed, you'll see an Open button instead. Once installed, click Open to launch Windows Media Player. Now you're ready to organize your music, watch videos, and enjoy a better multimedia experience on your computer. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded Windows 10 Media Player. Enjoy your music and videos, and keep exploring Windows tips to make your computer even more useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.